Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the AutoCut feature to remove background in your videos. So select your video or photo, and then you're just going to simply select the cutout button. Then you're going to select auto cutout to remove the background and just wait for it to process it for you. And once you're done, you should be left with something like this. Then you can add in another background if you'd like to. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. It only works for like people though, and not objects or like animals either. So just keep that in mind. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!